Yes, you're fine.
Oh.
Hey, Tommy's not feeling well today.
What's wrong with
Her tummy's a little upset. She's okay.
I'll be right down, guys.
Hello?
Hey,
What is it?
Ziggy, apparently it was Max who choked Annabelle at orientation. And apparently it's been him who's been bullying her all along.
What?
So he's just been keeping a secret.
You sure about this?
I mean, I definitely considered that he could be lying. And I have to face the fact violence could be in his DNA. Max pushed Sky down the stairs and that he's been a little aggressive. So sorry, Celeste.
To kick me again, and he fell.
Turn it off. I'm so sick of these fucking lies. It wasn't an accident.
Because?
Their language. The husband, when he got violent with the wife, he was pushed.
All right, so self-defense case then. She fought back. He tripped. Voluntary manslaughter. 12 months community service. Good behavior, she's out in 6, maybe 3. Why bother to lie?
That's what's bugging me.